If you're taking a taxi like I did, then make sure you say this to get to the International Healthcare Center. 서울대병원 본관 가주세요! This will take you to the main building. The SNUH has lots of different buildings, so as long as you specify this, then you'll get to the right place. So we're finally here at the Seoul National University Hospital. We've made it. Wow, look at the buildings, it's fantastic. And even behind us, there's this beautiful old building too. It makes me feel like I'm not in Korea at all. So if you're wondering where the main building is, you can see it very easily on the exterior of the building. So now, let's go and do my appointment. So follow me. Wow, it really is big. So, my appointment is on the second floor. Now, if you need wheelchair access or if you're injured, you can take the elevator over to the right. Me, I'm fine, so I'm going to take the escalator to the left. Now, follow me to my appointment on the second floor. Let's go. Okay, all right, International Healthcare Center. All right. We're here at the International Healthcare Center. Now, at the International Healthcare Center, they always check your ID, imaging data, and your medical records in English. And just so you know, they prefer the imaging data in CD format. I made sure to bring everything with me. Now, let's go inside. Once you come inside, you'll see that the desks are divided by language. They have staff members here to help you in English, Chinese, Mongolian, and several other languages.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi there.
Welcome to the International Healthcare Center. How can I help you?
Hi, I booked an appointment for today.
Can I have your ID, please?
Yes, sure. I think it's here. Here's my passport.
Thank you. Let me just check your information.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, thanks.
Since it's your first visit, may I have your medical records and imagings if you have them?
Ah, yes. I have them here as well, actually. Yeah, here's everything. That's all of them there.
Let me just check it and upload it before your visit with the doctor.
Right, okay.
Please have a seat on the sofa for a while.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. The waiting area is spacious and has lots of extra seats. Even if you arrive a little bit earlier than your appointment time, they'll help you register your documents right away. So it's always a good idea to come a little bit earlier than you planned.
Hi, Mr. Mitch. Could you please come into room 1, please?
Oh, okay.
Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Dr. Jungmin Che. How can I help you today?
Hi, doctor. So I was actually diagnosed with arrhythmia and I was advised to receive consultation here in Korea. I also received an email that I should visit the International Health Center first.
Hi. So these are your next steps after the consultation. So you'll be going to the radiology department for an MRI and electrocardiogram room for the EKG. And next, you'll be going to the outpatient pharmacy to collect your medication, which was prescribed. Before you go to any of these places, please make a payment for today's consultation and all of your tests and medications.
Okay, sure thing. Okay, well, I'll go to all these places right away.
Okay, that's good.
Thank you very
We'll
much.
see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
After you've received consultation, you'll need to make the payment before you do your tests. They accept cash, debit cards, and Visa or MasterCard, but all other payment methods are not available.
Today, we went through the steps for a first visit at the International Healthcare Center at SNUH. Even for a first-time visitor, everything was well-guided and the language support made everything super comfortable. Join me again for part 3. Goodbye, everybody.